Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add overlays in CapCut on your PC. Whether it's a logo, video, or image overlay, this is super simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import your main video by dragging it to the timeline. Step 2. Click Import at the top left to bring in your overlay. This could be an image, another video, or even a GIF. Step 3. Now drag your overlay file onto the timeline, but make sure it goes above your main clip on a separate track. This tells CapCut to display it on top. Step 4. Click on the overlay in the preview window. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it wherever you want on the screen, like top right for logos. Step 5. You can trim the overlay clip to control how long it stays on screen. You can also add animations, filters, or blend modes from the right-hand menu. Bonus tip. Want multiple overlays? Just repeat the process and stack them on new layers. CapCut handles it like a pro. And that's how to add overlays in CapCut PC. Super easy and effective. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick editing tips. See you next time!